Okay, I don't know if this is focused. I don't know if it's recording, but I hope it is. I'm running so late. I have an appointment at 3 with my lawyer, and I'm just now leaving. I have my makeup half done because I was actually going to film the second look with the Kylie palette, and I forgot that I hadn't transferred any footage from this camera or my main camera, so both SD cards were completely full. I was transferring the footage and it took over an hour to transfer all the footage. So, lesson learned. I didn't get to film that second look. Hopefully I can do it when I get back. Right now I have to get going because I don't even know how traffic, but I made sure I grabbed my water and my snacks, and I am updating you right now because it's freaking Vlogmas. Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. And also the vlog is not up yet because my computer is freaking out. Anyway, I gotta go. Alright you guys, so I just got done filming and now I'm gonna head into the kitchen. I'm just turning off all my lights. I'm gonna head into the kitchen and start making dinner. Say hello.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3.
4. He's looking for some Christmas lights and I'm about to get dinner started. Oh, we're having the spinach and feta salmon pinwheels. They look so good. And also these Parmesan green beans. I'm gonna make us a little bit of rice because I don't know if this is gonna be enough. It should be, but just in case.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the
dinner is served. Are you ready?
Yes.
This smells delicious. Or do you want some crusty cinnamon rolls?
Hello there. What you doing?
Editing.
Editing? Cool.
My computer didn't let me edit this morning, so vlog's a little late.
Yeah?
Per usual, this Vlogmas.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Normal.
Look, that's what it does. It's just
Wow, that's very colorful.
yeah, it just wants to do that all day. And then do that.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So how do you know it's the terabyte?
Just feel like it's not powerful enough. Why are you vlogging this?
Because I am about to make some coffee because I want to go to sleep. But we have to film Decorate with Me. Yes. There you go.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
So while I'm decorating, I plan to clean as I go. About a month ago, I got on Grove Collaborative and I got the new Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine Scent that it's a limited edition for the holidays. Ooh, so this time I got the room freshener, the dish soap, the multi-surface spray, the hand soap, and some more of these walnut scrubs, and they're really, really nice. I really like them. And some tissue paper. you doing?
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I am just putting up a nice twinkly garland.
Hey, are these a different color?
Hey. Yes,
Huh.
somewhat. Supposed to be the same, but
Yeah, these look a little whiter.
yeah, a little counter just like that.
Removed my makeup already because it's almost 1 a.m. and George is actually asleep already, so I don't want to disturb him. I feel like it's going to be very easy for me to go overboard, and I do not want to do that, so I'm pretty happy with what I have right now, and I cannot wait to see it all come together. So thank you guys so much for joining us in today's vlog, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye!